The earth field is not quiet today, but it is breathing differently. Instead of wide waves rolling across the Schumann bands, the spectrogram shows long stretches of blue, pierced by thin vertical flashes, quick releases moving through narrow channels. Yesterday's tall amplitude spike still echoes in the field, and what we're watching now looks like the system slowly releasing the pressure that spike created. The harmonic lines themselves remain stable. The fundamental tone holds steady with only small oscillations, which means the Earth grid is carrying the load without falling into chaotic distortion. But the electric field charts tell another part of the story. Narrow red bursts appear in clusters through the Kumiana electric field data. Short pulses, almost like lightning inside the atmosphere, rather than a continuous storm. The sun is contributing gently, rather than aggressively. X-ray flux sits mostly in the B range, with a brief C-class peak earlier, and proton levels remain low. Solar wind speed is running around 379 kilometers per second, while the magnetic field stays steady near 5 nanotesla, with the BZ slightly north. That orientation keeps the magnetosphere relatively calm, so the energy arriving from the sun is feeding the system slowly, rather than forcing it open. At the same time, the solar surface itself looks busy. Several beta-class sunspot groups are scattered across the disk, and the 211 angstrom imagery shows tangled magnetic loops stretching across the face of the sun, like braided currents preparing for the next shift. Inside the body, this kind of field often feels uneven. Calm stretches followed by sudden pulses of alertness or restlessness. The nervous system tends to move between alpha calm and short bursts of beta activity, which can show up as mental sparks, irritability, or flashes of clarity. The spine of today's field is simple. The system is venting pressure without releasing the full wave yet. Move slowly, hydrate, and give your nervous system space between bursts of activity. The field is recalibrating. You can find the full written transmission on Substack at tendingtheinbetween.substack.com.